In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Capcut. We'll move step by step through the process, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to make your project truly pop. Whether it's text or video clips you're working with, highlighting elements within Capcut can transform the way your content looks and stands out. So let's dive right in and kick things off by getting into your Capcut project. First, make sure you have your project open in Capcut. Launch the app and choose the project you're looking to enhance. Once you have your project open, you'll be ready to start adding some flair. Now let's start with highlighting text. This is a fantastic way to draw your viewers' eyes to specific points you want to emphasize. Tap on the text icon to add your desired text, type out what you want to say and get ready to style it. Once you've added your text, select the text box that appears. With your text box selected, you'll notice options like style or effects on your screen. These options are your gateway to a range of creative possibilities. Tap on either style or effects depending on which catches your eye and what suits your project. Play around with the settings to explore how they can change the look of your text. Next up, it's time to decide on the highlight color or background effect you want to use. This step is crucial because it's where the text gets its pop. Choose a color that contrasts nicely with the rest of your video to ensure the text really stands out. Feel free to experiment with different colors or effects until you find the one that feels just right for your project. And there you have it, your text now stands out much more vividly. Moving on, let's talk about how to highlight video clips. Similar to highlighting text, Capcut has some great tools for making certain clips stand out within your timeline. Start by selecting the clip you wish to highlight. Scroll through your footage and tap on the clip that you want to make more prominent. After you've selected your clip, you'll notice an effects or filters option. Tap on this to open up a world of visual possibilities. This is where you can really let your creativity flow. Finally, it's time to pick a bright or glowing effect that emphasizes your chosen clip. Effects like glow or brightness adjustments can really make a clip shine. The key here is to choose something that enhances the clip's impact without being too distracting for your audience. You might need to try a few different effects to see which one best suits your video. It might take a little experimentation, but finding the perfect highlight will significantly enhance your video's visual appeal. And there you go, a highlighted video clip that commands attention. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to make both text and video clips in your Capcut projects stand out beautifully. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy making amazing videos with these highlighting techniques.